everybody. So we just checked in to the room 265 at the Dreams Playa Bonita Resort in Panama, outside of Panama City. I think it's called Veracruz is where the hotel is actually at. We're at a vendor event, so graciously got to come, and so I wanted to do a room tour at first. So you first walk in the door. On your left is a mirrored closet with full mirrors. You got your hangers. You got an ironing board on that side. A lot of room in there. It's sort of like a cruise ship. It's got the little, that's my backpack, but you got the safe. I got my camera bag, but then you got some little shelves there. So plenty of room. There's actually a plug in there, I guess, for the ironing board. You can see that ironing board plug, or the plug. Then you got some more shelves up here for if you had brought stuff with you. It's an all-inclusive deal, so we already got one drink, and then they give us some little bottles there, and some M&Ms and some Pringles. There's a Mr. Coffee, and then a fully stocked fridge down here, if you guys can see that. Some water bottles and some sodas. Looks like some apple juice. It's got even a little freezer up there. Can you see the freezer? And on your right is the bathroom. So it's got a full mirror. It's got a little close-up mirror. These cool little sinks. You got toiletries there. We got some insect repellent, some soap, and then shower cap, razors, manicure kit, you name it, they got it. There is the Kleenex. You got a little incense burner. There's some glass shelves in there for stuff we can keep. And then here's the shower. There's a little light. Sorry. Turns the big fan on. But see a full walk-in shower there. Toilet paper, towel rack. That has a little barn door on it. You see the barn door closing. And you walk in and you got a little bench. It's a gift that they gave us. And then some drawers under here. You got two small drawers and then one big drawer. And you got the TV. And then you got some more drawers. It's like 4 drawers there on that deal. Then we had some champagne and a desk. I don't see a chair for the desk, but we got some little artwork there. A little dark in here. Got some dark there. Then you got a chair. This room has 2 beds. I'm going to show one, and then I'll show the other real quick. Over there, it's got a little hanging valet thing there. It's kind of got these little lights here for reading. There's a full mirror over there. Hello. Now let's go out to the patio. It's got a little table and chairs out here. And there's the pool. We'll get some more video of that tomorrow in our view, but there we go. There's the room tour from Dreams Resort, Playa Bonita, Panama City, Veracruz, Panama. Yeah, got it locked. There's the room tour. See y'all at the next rope drop.